This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome back to another Dylan Tech Tip. This week we are going to be going over ScribeHow.com. This is a service that allows you to record what's going on your screen and will write out a step-by-step SOP as you are doing it. This is perfect for if you're working with clients who aren't technologically savvy and you're trying to get them to sign something in Dotloop, or you need them to go into a certain program. You are now able to just record yourself doing it and able to send them a step-by-step video as well as written instructions on how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is just go to scribehow.com. You want to create an account. It's completely free. And then you will get to this dashboard. So this is your dashboard. This is where you will view all your scribes, see all the stats. So I can see that 13 people have viewed some of the scribes I have done. Here are some of the recent ones I've done, and if I click into it, we can kind of see how it sets itself up. So for example, this is how to upload a YouTube video. It has step-by-step instructions as well as showing them where to click on the screen. So there's no confusion involved that well. And you are able to edit these after you are done recording if you want to add notes in somewhere or anything like that. So once you have an account set up, it's really simple. You're going to just go to your dashboard and hit new. There is a pro version, however, you shouldn't need any of the features the pro version allows. So for example, I'm just going to hit browser and it's going to ask me what tab I want to even start from. So for example, if I'm doing a dot loop, how to set up a dot loop, I'm just going to do select tab to get started. You see that it switched to my dot loop screen. And then if we look here in the bottom left, we can see the controls. So right now it is currently recording, but we can go down here and we can pause the capture if we need to go to another screen, or we can complete it once we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and resume, and then let's just go through the process of creating a dot loop. So for example, if I was talking to a client or if I was trying to teach one of y'all how to set up a loop, you just watch me go through the process. And then if I click down here and hit complete capture, you will now get a new tab with the SOP written out to you. So without doing anything at all except creating the loop, you don't have to speak. It has now created a step-by-step instruction showing where to click, what to even type, and how to get everything the way it needs to be done. So it's as simple as that. Right here, I have a 10-step process on how to create a dot loop, and it took me 30 seconds. Now you are able to go through and edit some of these. So if you need to duplicate a step, for example, you can. You can change exactly what this step is saying to do. You can change the order. So you can kind of just play around with it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Once you're done editing, just hit done editing, and then you are able to go back, or you are free to share it. You can either grab a link for it, or you can send it to their email specifically. So this is just a nice little tool that will allow you to teach people who are not technologically savvy or maybe just confused about a certain process. You can just take 30 seconds to do it on your own and send them a scribe that will walk them through it step by step. And with that, that is the end of this tech tip. If you have any questions about Scribe or how to use it, just let me know. If you have any suggestions for next week, I am all ears. Just send me an email or send me a text message. Everybody have a good weekend. I hope to see a lot of you at the Christmas parade tomorrow, and goodbye.